Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make Gemini analyze PDFs and documents in your phone. So let's get started. You want to open Gemini app, and then you want to tap this plus icon over here, and then you want to select your source. It could be files, photos, camera, also Drive and stuff like that. So you have to decide your source. I will go with files for example, and then you want to select needed file. It could be anything starting from PDFs, documents, and also photos from your gallery. Then you want to type your prompt. For example, let's say something like summarize this file. And let's send. And as you can see, because this document is in German, it gave me results in German, but of course you can ask it translated to English, because this is AI and it can do almost everything. Okay, so that's basically it. All we're gonna do is upload file and ask Gemini to summarize it for you, or give any other prompt that you need. But one more thing that I wanted also to mention, that you can upload up to 10 files in single prompt, and it should be no more than 100 megabytes. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, please leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.